We manufacture residential range hoods and industrial and commercial shipping crates. The product is mainly for anywhere from $1 million to $2.5 million residential homes. And we produce range hoods to fit almost every liner and brand of ventilation available on the market. A friend of mine actually gave me an idea and said, why don't you make range hoods? There's a pretty big gap in that market. There is not an import product on the market right now that is available to a consumer. And we've prototyped 3 styles in about 3.5 days. From Saturday conversation until Wednesday we were in business. The impact of the new equipment has been very obvious. We've been able to grow over 300% in the last 2 years. Our staff has doubled since then. It opened up opportunities for new type of product. 6 people have received promotions due to growth of the company. And overall, we have reached a new height in market capitalization in this industry. The one machine we cannot live without would be the CNC router. That machine is the first piece of equipment in the entire production process. And they produce the raw parts and components for 6 other departments to do what they need to do. There is no skilled labor that can replace that capacity. Value your time. Through valuing time, you will save a ton of money. When you save $20,000, $30,000 on a purchase, when your machine stalls, you will lose that in just first day. Working with Stiles has been, I'll just say this, I've never worked with a company where the salesperson has done more legwork and post-sale work to date. The knowledge is there, the experience is there, and rectification of problems when they do arise. That's our business model as well. So it's worth the extra dollar.